Hello Niall, hello Thames, and welcome to Tuesday's Fantastic Phonics. Can you remember the tricky word that we practiced yesterday? Can you remember? Yeah, that's right, it's the word you. So for our warm-up today, try writing the word you 3 times. And remembering that you, I can hear the y at the beginning. I know that's the first letter. And then the oo is O-U, which is why it's a tricky word. That should be an ow, but it isn't. So that's once. That's twice. There we go. That's 3 times. Working really hard to make sure that we make each of our letters as nice as they can be. Fantastic. So, moving on, we are going to learn a new sound today. Now, this is a sound that you can be quite loud saying, because it is the sound that sailors make when they are spotting another boat in the ocean, especially if they're getting too close. They might want to call out to the other boat, "Oi, oi, ship ahoy!" Do you hear that? "Oi, oi, ship ahoy!" Because today's sound is oi. And there's a picture of 2 boats getting close to each other to help remind us. And there are actually 2 ways to write the oi sound. O-I, which is normally at the beginning or in the middle of a word, or O-Y, which is almost always at the end of a word. And we're going to worry about our O-I, oi sounds. Okay, I'll write it down first so I remember. O, and then I, and I'll underline it as a diagraph. And then I'm thinking of some words that have an oi sound. And it's quite tricky. So I'm thinking that I could do with a little bit of help. Miss Knight, will you help me with some oi words?
Hello, Mr. Turner. Of course I will. Okay, first oi word. What happens to water in a kettle?
Well, it gets hot, but hot doesn't have an oi sound. I know. It starts to boil. Boil. B-oi. All. Right, so my oi sound is in the middle, so b, oi, all. Is that right?
Fantastic, Mr. Turner. Okay, here's another one. Something that plants can grow in.
Well, a pot, but pot doesn't have an oi sound in. The ground, but ground has an ow sound in it. Soil. S-oi-l. Soil.
Brilliant, well done. Okay, number 3. Something you might use to fry food in.
Well, I could fry food in a pan, but a pan has a in it. Ooh. I wonder if it's what you put in the pan to make it cook properly. Oil. Ah, oil. That has an oi sound at the beginning. Oil.
Well done. Okay, one more. It's a piece of money and it's made of metal.
Piece of money. Got it. Coin. How's that?
Fantastic, Mr. Turner. Well done.
Brilliant. So that's only a few words that contain the oi sound. So perhaps you could try adding some more. Now remember, not all oi words have the oi in them, but think about where the sound is, and if it's in the middle, like in these words, or at the beginning, you could just be right. Have a go, see how many you can come up with, and take care, and we'll see you next time.